Hey, this is Russ from CrafterCMS. Did you know that since the release of CrafterCMS 4.0, Crafter Studio has supported shortcut keys, and shortcut keys can make authors much more efficient while they're editing their content. Now, to get a list of shortcuts, we can use the question mark shortcut key, as we can see here, to bring up this menu. And you can see there are a number of shortcuts, right? We can turn editing mode on and off with the E key. We can turn move mode on and off with the M key. We can disable in-context editing events through the Z key, which I want to show you that one because that's really powerful. We can add some extra padding around content. We can reload the preview through the R key. You can open the current form through Shift E or pull up the options menu through the A key. So these are really useful things. Let's just look at a couple of these. So first, to highlight some of the efficiency that you can get through shortcut keys, imagine that I want to edit this headline text here, right? Well, to do that with my mouse, I've got to go up to the menu here and click the edit button. Then I got to come back down and put my mouse in this area and start editing. So now I can make a change. So making the change is very simple, but moving my mouse around, that can be kind of disruptive. Instead of moving my mouse, I'll leave it right where it is. I'll click the E key. Now I'm in edit mode. I can put my mouse on the text, make my change, click out, turn off edit mode, and I'm done. Using that shortcut key means that I can stay exactly where I am and start making my edits. Another really powerful shortcut key is the Z key, and that allows me to use the site as a user would while I'm in edit mode. So you can see if we're not in edit mode and I click the About here, it's going to move me down to this section. Well, let's say that I'm actually in edit mode. So I go to edit mode, right? I use the shortcut key to get there. And now if I hover over the About button and I click on it, I'm going to go into edit mode. Well, that's not what I want to do. I want to use that navigation to get somewhere else in the site. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click out of here. I'm going to stay in edit mode. And instead, I'm going to hold down the Z key. And now you can see that I can click on the About, and it's going to move me to this area. And so that's really useful. Now, the last one that I want to show you is a variation on edit. And it has to do with form-based editing, right? Because sometimes we want to make a quick edit and we use Experience Builder to just click on text and make a change. And sometimes we want to see all of the attributes in a content form. And I could get to that form by going up here, clicking on the options menu, then going here, clicking on the edit menu, and bringing up the form. Or I could just hold down the Shift key and press E, and I've done all of that without moving my mouse and with much fewer interactions. So really powerful stuff. I hope this helps you be more efficient with Crafter Studio. Happy crafting.